everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Andii Shay. How you do? All right, so today we are doing a look on my everyday makeup. This is a quick look, something I would do on the fly, and we're just gonna start off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And it may look like I'm barely putting any on my face, and that's for a reason. I had tried to record this video like 2 times before, and it was just not working with me. So there's literally like 2 layers of Smashbox on my face, so that's what's happening. So I am now, spooling my brows out, trying to like shape them up real quick because they are so unruly. Them hairs are so thin, bro. I gotta get some microblading done or something. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Granite, and we're just gonna lay out these brows real quick. Okay, now it's time for my girl Nars to get off the bench and get into the game. And this is the shade Medium Dark, and I'm gonna mix that up with some ColourPop in the shade Dark 46. And I mix this together because honestly, I just like how the consistency is. Like, it just glides on so smooth, and like it just gives me the ultimate brows. Like, look at that. Girl, you better like look at the wrists right there. Yes, girl, go ahead, shape them out. You look fantastic. Also, real quick, I just need to give my man a shout out for the music. His name is Maurice. I will put the link to the song in the description box. I love his work. He's really just out here doing his thing, man. Like, thank you so much. I see you. So we're just gonna take the beauty blender and we're just gonna, buff it out real quick, give it that smooth effect. And yeah. Now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium Deep or 30, and this is from like the Fit Me line, and I'm just gonna set where I had to put all the concealer, because my face is super oily. If I don't do this, it's chaos. It's all absolute chaos. Yes, bitch, I see you doing this thing. I like to snack into the process. Please don't judge me. I was hungry. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe palette. This is 35V, I do believe. I love this palette so much. And I'm gonna take this really pretty plum shade and this tan shade, and these are literally like the only 2 shades I'm using from this palette. And I'm just gonna go on with the lighter shade first and put that on my outer crease. And I'm gonna take this pretty plum shade and put it on my inner crease, and just slay that eyelid real quick. Yes. All right, Jaclyn Hill, it's your turn. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm sorry it looks like a mess. I use it literally all the time. I'm going to take the shade Butter, and I'm going to put it on my eyelid right on top of this plum shade, and it's going to look delicioso. Yes. So this is the part of the program where my camera decided to shut off. You can see the frustration. What had happened was I had put some eyeliner on. I had put this darker shade of purple on. I blended it out and it made this pretty effect. But now I'm about to go on to my foundation, and as you saw, I'm going to use my Milani foundation Conceal on Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the color Golden Toffee, and my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in shade 368. I'm going to mix those together. They give me literally like the perfect shade. I have yet to find the one perfect foundation for myself. That's literally like my life's mission. I will find it one day, but in the meantime, I'm going to be using these 2. Now I'm going to take my Mega Wear mascara from Wet n Wild. I love this mascara, like lashes slay me. Anyways, So I'm gonna go back in with my NARS. I'm gonna put it under my eyes on these bags because these bags need some Jesus. Can I get an amen? I'm gonna put it on my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead because my forehead needs some major contouring. My 5 head, really. And I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty blender. And we're going back in with the loose finishing powder. Gonna put that all over my concealer, and we're gonna set. Yes. And now it's lashes time, baby. Yes. And y'all already know where I got these lashes from. The hair store. But yes, bitch. The hair store. The best place to get a pair of lashes. Can I get an amen? Amen. I amen myself. That's how good they are. Anyways, but how I like to put them on is middle and inner, because the longer you leave that inner alone, the better it'll stay on. Because if it's not dry, it won't stay on, my G. I think what happened here was it shut off. I had contour my face. I had put on my face powder from Maybelline in the shade 375 JK. Yeah, okay, so now it's time for some highlights. Yes, some highlight from my girl Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Glow Kit, my favorite kit, bruh. Yo, I remember when this came out, some people were just like, oh, it's not as pigmented or yada yada yada, it's not as shiny or something. Uneducated, that's what I call you. Uneducated, unseasoned, all right? That's what you are. You're not woke to the cause, because this, look at that, girl, take a seat. Take a seat. All right, put on some shades because bling bling, nigga. Like shing shing. That's what I am right now. I'm shing shing. Call me shing shing. Look at that. Just beautiful. Crazy. Look at that. The nerve. The nerve. And your girl feeling herself because of that highlight. I told you, bruh. Looks so good. Gonna put that on my inner corner too. Gonna get some extra sheen, bruh. Like, ooh, shining like the top of Chrysler building, girl. I see you. Gotta get that brow bone too. You, girl, you better. I see you. I'm proud. Look at this. So now I'm gonna go back in and just buff this out real quick because harsh lines, I'm know her. Is she your friend? Keep her away. And I'm gonna go in with my NYX liquid lip. It's called Ruffle Trim, I believe, and this beautiful lipstick from Maybelline called Talkaholic. And we're just gonna put those together. I love this lip because, you know, she's subtle, she cute, but like she's still out here, you know, like she doing the thing, looking real cute. Go on, girl. Yes, lips, fantastic. You're doing it. Yep, we out here. Yes, we are. Rock with it. All right, y'all, that's literally the face. What? The banana again, hungry asshole. Anyways, that's my everyday look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back with another one soon. I just got my Jackie Aina palette, so you already know I'm about to be out here with another video, girl. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please come back again, and I love you. Thank you for watching.